Yɛbɛnya hwɛfo nyinaa akwaba famra GH Live Studio. Yɛhyia se ya na wonim sɛ Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsɛm ana yɛde Kotoko and Karela United this afternoon. Baba Nyara Sports Stadium, Ghana Premier League match day 18 and a game a free second round. I say this is the report from Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Two teams in Ababidru, our Kotoko team already omo Ababidru Asanso and a Karela United Bass and a Isiha when you Egusua Oceano. Aha. Na oba VIP stance has here. A teacher for supporters those who support Krobia Kumasi and Sante Kotoko or more Eshom justice no fair and so I have say yes they are in their justice. Sounds so and other people also almost Eddie Muffin Tarani and then by Osha down has here. Kotoko fans living there was saying now almost Sibia and so Ebekama where then move at the Hoku we are not Bokakram but and so atomo ewa hase eba supporters na mugusua omo bank kakra ewa hase as a time kasa sisi about 1 p.m. and so ewa hase na osha supporters na ban paying for bi and so joining team and so ewa hase nti Kotoko team na bedru asunje momo dressing room sanso na Karela United and so abedru mo so dressing room bibia kama na oba security and so tight. And so our has security and so very 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 tight and so Baba Nyara Sports Stadium so bibia koso was media for omo buy na even so aba so game no frase here honoma bibia and so ebe kama so there is a round of Baba Nyara Sports Stadium high VIP side and meditwa and so at the arrival and so at the beka home na ye da tum sesi na so ahu ne tie obe subscribe to the channel so nya subscribe to the channel or subscribe to the channel we are na what notification bell no so pick all anytime the video to be you be the first person so be video bi na wa share na bibia and so aye kama we na wa share video no na unia and so enya bia hwe boss Kizito bigide sen yakopon adom ho eye pa bibia koso and so ewo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium na Kotoko teacher phone supporters those omom support Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no omo pass so fie na se onya maya na be kan che se game no enche ebo 3 o'clock e be frase here so 2 hours time game no be frase here and so ewo Baba Nyara Sports so come and support Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko so support Karela United and so also bra na ebe support team no na bibia and so enye kama ye de mo besi ase na ye be koso bia no ye be twa bibia and so e the amount arrival of the two teams no and so it was so at the amount.
So I am going to feed them. So you give it to them. I wouldn't say that would be. Sometimes if they come and take it by bringing it up and sending it down. The other day I made this guy suffer by taking it to the art.
Pema makasa sana ngo usinko msifu mu.
Oh, perpetua. Brother. This time, the car is.
Yes, coach. And I said, team manager, free. A year pass me. On the two. And the year what you chair. A year dressing room now. I'm going to be on Saturday. Well, we say playing body, you know, and I'm a chair players, no more free. Pass him, we check Karela United players, you know, it's here from the boys now. I'm going to be a chair dressing room. Goalkeeper, on him go da papa, Omar Mohammed, on go da papa, Thomas and the Kotoko player, Maxwell Ajiman, Uchito, and now the boy and the former club. Karela players, no, Omusi, if you pass the Mubama, Mese Konako subscribe, M48 TV, for comment in the brand, I share, na affront to me, near Echo so. And I said, yeah, the Bremo fees, man say, Papa, you're supposed to my Bremo. Anybody needs here free bus in Karela United. Tell me, you never want to come. I'm a Niama Atutoyi. Nasam, and also SFP, a year bus in or your goalkeeper United. Sounds like a former goalkeeper trainer, the Blasters of Ghana, and a Black Prince. On a goalkeeper trainer at the Karela United, and also the United dressing room players, you know, with former Summertex coach in a coaching.